Hi, welcome to Tito Online, Gaurav. Firstly, tell us, when did you first read the story of Parinita? Like back when you were a child?
No, I read it much later. I read it when I was in high school.
Okay.
And then when I was in college, my father actually acted in an adaptation of the story. It was done in Hindi, where my father played Shekhar's father,
Okay.
Saif Ali Khan's father in that film. And so that's where I saw the first adaptation, and I've seen the other adaptation which came much earlier, which wasn't of my generation, where Soumitra Chattopadhyay and Moushumi Chatterjee, they acted in that film. And I've seen that during my college days. So yeah, I read it much later. I read it during high school. Not
Did you
in
go
my
back and
childhood.
read it again this time since you were
Yes,
the protagonist?
I did. Before I read the script, I read the story, and I read it not once. I read it multiple times because I wanted to get the character right. You know,
Right.
because when there is an adaptation, there are changes which take place when you are adapting for the screen. There are minor changes in this case, but then they do take place. But my approach was to keep Shekhar as true to the text as possible.
And how do you think this adaptation of Parinita is going to be different from the very famous Saif Ali Khan and Vidya Balan
Oh, it's
starrer?
going to be very different because the Saif Ali Khan Vidya Balan adaptation wasn't true to the text. Pradeep Sarkar's film was not true to the text. It was his take on Parinita, but it was the original. It had deviated a lot from the original story. And in our case, that is the scenario is not the same. We have tried to stay true to the text as much as possible, so it will be quite different from that film. That film was not true to the text.
Also, tell us a little about your look. It's a very different look that you've portrayed.
That I think Aditi will be able to tell you better. But the point was to make Shekhar look as true to the period as possible.
Right.
And during that period, someone who is from a well-to-do family who has studied abroad, he's a lawyer now. He's come back. So there's a certain way that he dresses, and there's
Right.
a certain way that he does his hair, and the kind of spectacles that he wears. All of that. There was a lot of research which went into it. And we've tried to stay true to the period and make the look as authentic as possible.
Any kind of other preparation that you had to do to play this character?
I had to get the language spot on because
Okay.
I take pride in my command over English and Bangla.
Right.
But the Bangla that I speak now and the Bangla that was spoken in the early 1900s was very different.
Like a couple of
it
words
wasn't
which were
very
different?
but the way of enunciating was different, and there were some words that were used then that are no longer in use.
Like a couple of words maybe?
Like now we say konta.
Huh.
They used to say konte.
Right.
There's very minor, little things. There are lots of little things, and there are words also which were in use then, which are not in use now. So these things, the scriptwriter did the majority of the work.
Yeah.
I just had to stay true to it. I couldn't just make it my own and say whatever I wanted.
Right. Thank you.
Thank you.